Have you been hearing about the health and environmental benefits of a vegan lifestyle? If you're interested in starting a vegan lifestyle, try these 7 steps toward eliminating meat, dairy, and other animal products from your food style. Number 1. Just do it once. If you normally consume meat during the day, consider restricting your consumption of chicken, red meat, and fish to dinner time. This will instantly minimize your intake of animal products, especially if you become entirely vegan for breakfast, lunch, and snacks during the day. Number 2. Plan at least one vegan meal every week. After you've successfully eliminated meat and dairy from your daytime meals, consider preparing one supper each week that is entirely devoid of animal products. Switching out 1 or 2 meals per week for a plant-based substitute will improve your health and get you one step closer to living a totally vegan lifestyle. This step will also help you expand your repertoire of delectable vegan dishes. Number 3. One product at a time. Try substituting a vegan substitute for one of your regular dairy or meat mainstays. Instead of butter, choose margarine or oil spread. Number 4. Subtract instead of adding. Don't conceive of a lifestyle change as removing foods from your diet. Instead, experiment with new cuisines and vegan favorites to naturally broaden your horizons without feeling deprived. Look for dishes that use fruits, vegetables, nuts, grains, seeds, tofu, and legumes. The more familiar you get with these essentials, the easier it will be to feed your family without the use of animal products. Number 5. Consume enough nutrients. Check your diet against the required nutritional information for a person your age, gender, and health condition, whether you consume mostly fresh vegetables and other whole foods or also integrate packaged goods. If you find that you are deficient in a particular vitamin or mineral, consult your doctor about adding a supplement to your daily routine. Number 6. Maintain a journal. Tracking your diet as you make the shift to eating fewer animal products will help you realize the benefits of this lifestyle change. Have you been working out? Have you noticed an increase in stamina throughout your workouts? Are you sleeping better? Are you feeling more upbeat? Keeping track of these items can offer you an incentive to continue your search for a better, happier self. Number 7. Eat at home. By making the majority of your meals at home, you can break the meat and dairy habit. You'll save a lot of money while avoiding the temptation to deviate from your vegan journey. By following these steps you can easily change your food style for the better, whether that means going completely vegan, eliminating meat, or being more aware of the animal products you consume, which is a major lifestyle change. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up, and hit the notifications button to receive all our new videos.